Hey, how's it going? So, today I have a pair of shoes that I am absolutely not qualified to be even reviewing, but I'm gonna do it anyway. So, these are the Adidas Adios Pro 2 running shoes, and they are meant for serious runners. And by the way, while you have a look at it from all the sides, if you are wondering why the color of them looks dirty in comparison to my shirt, well, it is because the shoes. It is not that the shoes are old or they don't look shiny. It is that my t-shirt is way too bright and my camera is struggling to capture the nuances of the shoe. It looks just, you have to trust me on this, it looks absolutely beautiful and pristine white in the videos, in real life, even though I have worn it a couple of times before this. So yeah, as you can see, it is an extremely aggressively styled shoe. It is not meant for casual wear or anything. It is meant for those runners who want to put in the paces, who want to act every single fraction of a second out there on the track or in marathons, especially marathons. It is not for the track. So why did I, a guy who is just getting into running, why did I buy this pair of shoes? Well, because I just love how they look. I like products that are over-engineered or products that feel like they have had a lot of thought went into them. And the Adios Pro 2 is one of those. I couldn't find the Adios Pro 3 in India. Haven't gone on sale in the country, so this is what I have to settle myself with. And so, what makes this shoe so good for running? Well, the Light Strike Pro, the midsole, is where the majority of the acclaim that the Adios Pro series get comes from. These are some extremely soft, squishy, and bouncy shoes that are meant to return energy to you so that you don't feel as fatigued when you are putting in the miles. Everything else, apart from the sole, the outsole, and the midsole, everything else on this shoe is just an accessory, is just a afterthought. They are meant to like, look at the upper, for example, the translucent upper, almost transparent upper. It is, look at this beard, thin ankle support. It is just meant to somehow attach the shoe to your legs, just there. They are meant to, and Adidas have tried to save off every single gram, every single weight that they could. So, which is why you can see how all it is. Yeah, look at the orange. Look at the orange on the upper. And the shoes, it is not the upper that is actually orange. What is happening here is that you are actually seeing the um, orange insole from the outside. So here I am wearing one with a pair of white socks and the other with black, just so that you can see the difference. So you can see the socks completely. You can see my socks, be it black or white. It is all, the shoe is almost transparent apart from the graphics on the side, the Adidas three stripes. The shoe is almost transparent, so you have to so if you are going to use it as a lifestyle device like me, for whatever reason, then you will have to put a bit of a thought into what kind of socks you want to pair it with. And yeah, as expected, they are extremely comfortable. I mean, I feel tall. I feel like I'm perched on the top of Empire State Building or something. I feel tall. I feel like I will get vertigo. But yeah, other than the feeling of height, there is not much that can be faulted with wearing these shoes. So, here is the other thing that makes this kind of shoes so expensive and so good for the track: the energy return system. You see those three lines in the midsole, those three exposed lines, those are carbon fiber energy rods. And that is not the only one that is inside. There is also a plate. There is also a plate under the front side. This is the midsole and this is the insole, and the stitching and everything is extremely well done. I mean, I can't fault them for it. They are extremely well done. I feel like the laces are a bit too soft for my liking. I can understand the rationale behind them. They are soft so that they won't bite into your leg, because the tongue is so thin. But I wish they felt a bit sturdier. Plus, they get dirty very easily. So look at the profile of the shoe. Just look at how aggressive it looks. Just like it's ready. It's almost a rocket ship ready to take off. The aggressive slope at the front, which is meant to naturally help your forward motion. So yeah, here you can see the orange insole peeking out from in front of my toe. I really love this pair of shoes, but I don't know how, if I even deserve them. But I'm gonna wear them anyway. So yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.